I know you pretty girl. Come on and talk to me. What?
She's got a lot of wiggles. Does she have a lot of wiggles?
Yeah. Yeah, you sure look pretty in pink. Yeah. Come on. Tell me a story. Don't go. Don't take her away from me. Well, I'd love to have you stay. Yes, I would. I bet your great grandma would love to see you.
I think
In
Grandma
fact,
had
I
a
bet
talk
she'd
with
send
her.
you to us. Yeah.
That's so.
Well, tell me, did you tell her goodbye? Did you? Oh my goodness.
I've never seen her
I
talk
never
that
seen her
much
talk
before.
that much.
It's the most I've ever seen.
Oh, did you tell her that Aunt Losh misses her? Did you? Well, come on, tell me. Oh, little Dolly.
I've never seen her
Come
talk
on,
that much
say some
before.
more. Did you have fun at the party? Did you? It was sure good food. Yeah. Turn around here so I can look at you.
Oh, she'll kick you. You better be careful.
That's better. Yeah, now I can look at you. Do you love me? Come on, tell me. Yeah. Do you like to come to see your grandma? Yeah. Come on, tell me stories. Her eyes are just like Steve's.